Hello, I'm Dennis with doityourselfdennis.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to repair a crack above a doorway. A lot of times when a house settles over time, it'll cause a crack, especially like in a doorway. So let me go over a couple of tools you'll need. You might need a utility knife, a hammer. You'll need some drywall tape. You can get a roll of it. I just torn me off a little piece so it's easier to work with. A putty knife. You'll need several putty knives. You'll need like a 4-inch, maybe a 6-inch, and a 10-inch. And some drywall mud, a drywall bucket or tub. First of all, what we're going to want to do, I don't know if can you see this crack up here? There's a crack going across here, and then it kind of goes up at a little bit of an angle. So what you're going to do, you probably can't see it in the video, but it's got a little hump to it. So one of the first things you're going to do is just kind of smooth that hump out. And I just take a hammer and go over it. Just it kind of smooshes it down. Get rid of that little bit of a hump. Kind of makes an indentation. And you can take your utility knife, or take your tape, and where it goes kind of two different angles, we're going to lay our tape up there and just cut it off. You can cut a little angle on this so that it fits the you see how I'm doing that? I'm just lining it up with the doorway and then tear it off. The little corner didn't tear off. And that'll be your first piece. And then your second piece, we go over top of that. And you can go ahead and cut it to size. So what you're going to do first is you're going to put a little bit of mud on that first part of the crack. Going to get an idea where your crack is. And take your tape and put it on there. And you can hold it with your fingers and then just smooth out, then you can come back and get where you had your fingers. And you're just going to go ahead and take the drywall mud off, the excess. And then you're going to do the next piece. Again, you can hold it with your fingers at one end, squish your mud out, and come back. So then you're going to let that dry, and then you'll come back and put your first coat of mud over top of it. You can actually, if you're in a hurry, you can go ahead and put a coat of mud over top of it, but I'm not in a great big hurry, so we're going to go ahead and let it dry, and then we'll come back and put a coat of mud on it. And so that's it for now. We've allowed our drywall tape to dry, so now we're ready to put our first coat of mud on. What you're going to do is you're going to spread some on there. You want to go out a couple inches on each side of the tape. Then you're going to take your knife and put it, it's going to be pretty flat against the, just kind of smooth it out. If you got spots the tape showing through, you want to add a little more mud to it. And then just go back over it a nice even stroke. And that's all there is to it. Now we'll let this dry, and then we'll come back and feather it out all the way out. All right, we've got our drywall dry, our drywall mud dry. So next, what I generally do is I'll take my putty knife, go over it just to kind of scrape the little bumps off. And then you're gonna start out in the corner there. You're gonna just feather it out. Once you put your mud on, then you're going to take your knife and you're going to hold it kind of almost flat. And go out with it. And nice and feather it out like that. And you're going to do the same thing over here. You might go back over this one more time. And so that's your second coat. You're going to let that dry, and then we'll come back and do one more coat and feather it out completely. But so we'll just let. Okay, our drywall's dry now, our mud's dry now. So I'm just gonna scrape it a little bit just to get the high spots off. And we're going to put one final coat on. So you're going to start out here, work your way around. You're going to hold your blade a little more of an angle so that you take more off. Just kind of feather it all out. Drywall is really all about nice even stroke. So now we're going to let this dry, and then we'll just sand it. And we'll be finished with it. Okay, so we've got our drywall mud dry. So now we're ready to just sand it. We're going to sand it to feather it all out, get it smooth. And so that's all there is to fixing a crack above a door, usually from the ground settling. This house is about 30 some years old, so that's really not too bad for being that old, that small crack. But check out my other videos at doityourselfdennis.com and my other information. Thanks for watching.